All right, let's rock and roll. Look who's here. You know you're on film, so I'm gonna keep it just like
that. Is why it's not a reality TV show.
All right, so let's go over here. Come on, mommy. All right, so you're gonna be here today because I have to leave. Pretty much, they go on 4 blocks all the way up. Okay, they're already here. Come over here. You're having Miss McKenzie. Come over here. All right. So over here, this door here, you see it's marked. The width is 76, but they're only going to go up 2 courses here. So come down here with me so you can see. It's kind of messed up a little bit, but it's going to go from line to line. It's a mark here. And they should be able to see it, but it's going to be over here, 76 from here to here. So it's only 2 courses up because this is the doorway. See where we have the 4H? That's 4 high, which is similar to this right here. Okay, so we're just going to make sure we get that all the way across to this point, and then they're going to bring the 4 blocks high there, and they're coming all the way around here. So they're pretty much going to be done. As you can see, down here, this whole row is going to be 4 courses. We got a door right here. Come over here, I'm going to show you this door. So this door, mommy, is going to be 2 courses. 2 courses a block, because this is a door. Okay, it's not going to go up as high. All right, so you're going to have that to work with. Okay, step back. So at least you have an idea. Now this line here, you see this line? This red line, chalk line, that's what a block should be lining up on, okay? So it shouldn't be over that line. It's almost like it's right on it, all right? So just make sure, you just look at it. And this should be done all the time. Okay, when we're doing the layout, we call it a layout. Same thing over here. See this over here? This column is 4 blocks over here. So they're gonna take this piece of wood off because I was holding the steel, and they're gonna, where those lines are is where the blocks are gonna go, all right? You don't really have to micromanage. All you need to know is, okay, what needs to be done. This is a little bit done because I guess they started with the blue. Same thing, principles here. It's from that blue line to that line is where my block is going to go because these columns are the same. And down there is your plumbing. You see that right there? That's your, okay, that's going to be your sewer line. That's going to go to the sewer main. So when they come and dig, it's going to be a 6-inch. It's going to be a 3-inch going into that. That's a sleeve. Okay, and he's going to have a pipe going right. He's going to have a pipe going right through that. So when it's all backfilled, you'll see that in a couple of days. Plumber comes in, he's gonna put his pipe through there just to protect it. That's all it is, just to protect it. Okay, that is what its function is. All right, so the other crew should be here probably later on. Like I said, you don't have to be here. Like, well, they just come back. Okay, just come back. I just wanted to show you before I leave what needs to be done. So I'm gonna go to another project in Davie, but I'm gonna need you here. If anything questions, just give me a call and let me know. Have any questions? Have any questions? You're so beautiful. All right, so okay, so they shouldn't run out of block. We got all that there. They're pretty on schedule. Now, let me show you something here before I go. You see this right here, that wire? Okay, that's why we call it door wall. That comes on every 2 courses. So come here, I'm gonna show you. See this here? So that's going into a column. And you see how 1, 2 courses I got 1, 2, and I got the wire. That's it. And then when they put block on top here, they're gonna put wire on here. So it's every 16 inches. Okay? So you go on a job, and they're not putting that wire there, you need to ask them why. Okay? No such thing as doesn't need it. Alright, peace. So, alright. That's it for me for right now. Peace.